Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can grow your own snow. Now maybe you're in a climate where you don't get much snow or any snow at all, or maybe you're just a person that really loves snow, but either way I'm going to show you with this and about a half a container of water. Take it's a little windy out here, but just take 1 cap full of sodium polyacrylate, and just simply dump it into the half a container of water and create your snow. Now, it looks like real snow, feels like real snow, and it's also a fun thing for kids to play with during the summer or any time of the year. You can use it to decorate for Christmas time around your villages, Christmas tree, whatever. I wouldn't recommend using this if you have animals that would eat it, because it is a chemical, but for the most part it's pretty safe, and you can save the rest. Now you can order this online. It's called Insta-snow. You can order it online, or you can buy it in some hobby shops. Thanks for watching. Have fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.